Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a look at a couple of index markets around the world and levels that I'm watching quite closely on the higher time frames. So I want to start here with the FTSE, and this is the daily chart. And as we can see, the daily chart is in an uptrend. We've got a clear series of higher highs and higher lows now, and we also have this strong push here to a higher high. We've got overextension, meaning there's quite a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. Now, I've marked this level around the 7,800. We can see there's a couple of touches at that level in the past. And I've also drawn the Fibonacci retracement of the latest move. So from the low all the way up to the high. And what we can see is that we've got that area of the previous swing high and those touches, so that nice level of the 7,800, so also round number, clustering quite nicely with the 61.8% retracement. And if and when the market will pull back into that area, it'll also be pulling back into these averages, so catching up with its averages, basically working out that overextension. Looking at the momentum indicators, we can see that they are converging nicely to the upside. Taking a look on the weekly chart, and we can see that this strong push that we had last week actually went ahead and took this previous high. So we are not in all-time highs as we are in many other indexes around the world, but we took out this previous high. So I like that scenario a lot, and we can see that strong push above that level and some more touches on that level in the past. So I'm looking for a pullback in and around that 7,800. The next market that I like the look of is the S&P 500. Now here on the daily chart, once again, beautiful uptrend, clear series of higher highs and higher lows. We had a pullback into the moving averages, into the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, and a nice push away. So currently we are overextended and I'm looking for a pullback. We can also see that we have a couple of touches around this 51.85. So we had a touch here, another one here, and once again here before we went and touched here and broke higher. So if we take a look quickly on the 4 hours, we'll see those touches in a bit more detail. So we can see there's a couple of touches at that level, some consolidation, and then a break higher. Now I also drew the Fibonacci retracement here. So this is the move on the daily chart from the low all the way up to the daily high. And we can see that we've got this level and all these touches clustering quite nicely with a 50% retracement here. So again, I'm looking for a pullback to test this level from above and a continuation of the move. If we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see this steady buying momentum. The thing is with the S&P, and quite similar with the DAX that we'll take a look at in a second, these ones are very overextended on the higher time frame. So any kind of pullback, I want to make sure that the buyers are ready to take over as the pullback is over and look for that continuation of the move. The next one is the DAX, and it's a similar story to the S&P. We can see there are a couple of touches on this level. It's a nice uptrend here on the daily chart. Moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend. And we do have this overextension. If we take a look here on the 4 hours, we can see again a couple of touches on that level in the past. That is around the 18,040 area. So I am looking for a pullback in the context of the daily. On the DAX, you can see we pull back in the context of the 4 hours, but right here you can see we made a higher high. So I don't mind that. It looks quite strong. There were a lot of buyers already sitting here that were able to push the price higher. So I want to see a pullback into this level. Once again, any signs that the pullback is over, and I'll be looking for a continuation of this move. If we take a look on the higher time frame, we can see that strong overextension, and especially here on the the monthly chart, we are very overextended. So need to keep a bit of caution because of that strong overextension. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.